Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Faridabad? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Faridabad. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app.
At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need.
Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Akash Institute. The address of Akash Institute includes number SCO 87, first floor, sector 16, Faridabad 121002. Their contact number is 012941711184, and the website of the institute includes www.akash.ac.in. Their email ID is medical@aesl.in. Okay friends, now let us talk about the fee structure. So the course fee for the normal 1 year is approximately above rupees 46 to 47,000. The institute has faculty members with high education and experience in the medical field. They maintain an optimal student-faculty ratio for giving the best coaching for every individual student from this institute. Furthermore, the staff members make sure that the students don't miss their classes, and Akash Institute maintains the highest benchmark in places like school, entrance examinations, and mainly other competitive examinations. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Brilliant Tutorials Institute. The address of Brilliant Tutorials includes number D16, first floor, sector 11, Faridabad 121006. Their contact number is 04424343308, and the website includes www.brillianttutorials.com. Email ID of the institute is delhicenter@brillianttutorials.com. Now let us talk about the fee structure. The course fee for the normal 1 year is approximately above rupees 40,000. Okay friends, the institute is regarded as the best medical coaching center in Faridabad. NEET entrance exam is one of the toughest exams faced by the students. The faculty members of Brilliant Tutorials are a highly professional team comprising in a correct ratio of the academicians and subject experts. They provide the best coaching, and they also provide students with the tricks to solve the problems in the NEET entrance examination. This institute attracts the best talent industry for all subjects from all over the country. Furthermore, assignments are given to the students and the tests are conducted to the students for securing high marks and get top ranks in their entrance examinations. So friends, the last institute we will be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Career Launcher Institute. The address of Career Launcher Institute is number 62, second floor SCF Building Market, Sector 15, Faridabad 121007. Their contact number is 011 411 09431. The website is www.careerlauncher.com and their email ID includes faridabad@careerlauncher.com. Okay. The course fee for the normal 1 year is approximately above rupees 1,20,000. Friends, this institute focuses on diverse segments of education for every student across the world with the different kind of ages. The institute runs with highly trained faculties and staff members with the right education. This institute aims to give an excellent education to the students. The institute is considered as one of the best medical coaching centers in Faridabad. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Faridabad. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.